So hi there, welcome to lesson number 9. We're almost there, almost at the end. And those of you who have been there right from the first lesson, congratulations for the steps you have taken so far. So what are exactly are the next steps? What will greatly help? Now, whether you are looking for a job or you're in a job, I think practice is the key. So the first thing we need to do is shop for data. We'll try and put as many sources of data, and please, ethically, we've told you this, let's shop for data and let's start looking for data all around. They are all on the internet. So there are few sources. Now you see within Stata, we have all those databases. So please don't forget to use the sysuse dir directory. Sysuse dir is the options that show you all the data that is within Stata. So please use them. Then previous data sets you had used 10 years ago, 3 years ago, go back to them. It's time to check. Did they meet the completeness test? Did they meet the clarity test? Did they meet all those checks that we have discussed in these videos? It's time to look backward. Sometimes you have enough data to go back and say, wow, I made a mistake here, I made a mistake here, there were errors here, there were outliers here, So that's what you need to do now. Then there are quite a number of spreadsheets across the world. There is WDI, so you can use that to check. There are Google Forms maybe you had done or used before. So just go and check, but please ethically. We've just discussed that in, I think, lesson 7. Do it ethically. Get as much data and then subject them to this test. Are they complete? Are they clear? Do you get my point? Are they consistent logically? And then, clean what you can clean, and let's see how that goes. So please do that as soon as you're done with this video. Go shopping. We'll try and put links in the video, in the comments or in the video narrative or description, so that you can go to these places and find resources where you can check for these 3 things I had mentioned. So please do that and let me know in the comments what your experience has been. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, we are done with the course, but we will daily be supplying a lot of practicals, and there are some people who cannot really understand some of the things we will discuss in those practical sessions, except they had been through these 10 modules, or at least know the knowledge of what is the 10. So that's why I would advise anybody coming and just listen to this video first from this channel should try and take baby steps from module 1 up to 9, and I'm sure you will not regret it. So thank you so much for your time. We are going to the very last lesson of the entire course, and of course of this module, lesson 10, module 10. And it's very important that you just flow along with this, because this is where we now talk about deep things. This is your introduction to deep things. Thank you so much for your time, and we are going to see you in the next and final video. So bye for now.